But we're here because my sister wanted Denny's, so he's making her a moons over my hammy. Hold the hammy is what she calls it. So my dad's getting all this stuff. He's a nice man. Aww. And yeah, we were walking and then we saw the portal, so we had to whip out the camera. Also, I have a pimple on my nose. I had to pop it before we left. So if you see that, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's like midnight. Or what is it, 11? 10:47, 11. Yeah. Normally it's packed, but right now it's just a bunch of... I came to pick up my team because we're doing flag football. Stop by this dude's house. I feel like doxing him. This dude, I told him I was gonna be here at 9:30. Been here at 9:30. Sorry, 9:47. My cousin lives down there, but this guy didn't even show up. I drove 2 hours to get him. Never doing that again. This guy's a bum, and he can't even catch. I just needed him for today because my whole team's on injury reserve. Even my quarterback. Record him. He has a busted ankle. Hurt. Yeah. So, and also my cousin, that dude doesn't want to get up either. So, pretty sure we're doomed. And then the other two people that I got, one of them is the dude that ate the spicy wings with me, but he's not good at anything. So, basically minus a player. And then the other guy, I haven't talked to him in a while, but I think he played sports. So. Yeah, so now we're gonna head to the park and then we're gonna practice when we get there for like 5 minutes so this guy can get warm. And then we're probably gonna win. Even though I'm bringing my Z team. My A team is all gone. Demok and Tonatiuh both have COVID. Cadence is in prison. Louis, he's working at Round Table with his boss, Ranjip. And, oh, and then Fabio, he didn't want to get up because he doesn't want to be counter boy. But that's his job, I don't care. Huh, he's counter boy no matter what? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're gonna end it here and then we're gonna start recording over there. Bro, why do they love playing on white grass? As soon as the turf that's dry, yeah, we just got here and there's people playing cricket. So we're probably gonna get killed. And yeah. My team's unreliable. It's filled with unreliables and bums. Except for this guy.
I'm hurt though.
He's hurt.
So I know I'm reliable. Because I'm injury pro.
Vivo de 3 animales que quiero como a mi vida. Con ellos gano dinero y ni les compro comida. Son animales muy finos. Aprendí a vivir la vida hasta que tuve dinero y no niego que fui pobre, tampoco que fui burrero, ahora soy un gran señor. Mis mascotas codician los mueros. Traigo cerquita la muerte, pero no me sé rajar. Sé que me busque el gobierno hasta debajo del mar, pero para...
Well, not really.
Mi escondite no han podido hallar. El dinero en abundancia también es muy peligroso. Por eso yo me lo gasto con mis amigos gustoso. Y las mujeres, la neta, ven dinero y se les van los ojos. Dicen que mis animales van a acabar con la gente, pero no es obligación que se les pongan enfrente. Mis animales son bravos. Si no saben torear, pues no le entren.
Thoughts on the game? Like I'm like LeBron James. I gotta do all the work.
You play football.
I'm LeBron James of NFL. Like
The LeBron James of the NFL.
when he played for the Cavs, when he won it all, he had no one, no help, but I'm here.
You carry the
I'm here to
team.
play every position now, so we're winning next half.
A good foul you're trying to find that ball.
I'm LeBron James of NFL. Like when he played for the Cavs, when he won it all, he had no one, no help, but I'm here.
What the fuck?
That's 8.
Lo que te hizo ese güey que he kicked you. You don't do that. You only do that because
Bro's cheating.
Our guest, we have a very special birthday. If we can give a round of applause to Miguel. On the count of 3, we're going to be singing our birthday Sizzler song. If you'd like to clap along, that'd be greatly appreciated. 1, 2, 3. Happy, happy birthday. It's a very special day. Happy, happy birthday. That's all we have to say. So happy, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Sizzler to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
If you guys want to sing, that's up to you guys.
Thank you.
Man, that thing was so quick. That was the quickest birthday.
Ahora sí hay que pedir una caja.
I thought they were gonna at least do 2 minutes.
Este no vamos a llevar porque me hace daño.
Are you gonna come back and get the waitress's number?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back when like it's time to close.
Alright, that's what's up.
That's why I'm coming back.
It was a nice cup.